we are really focusing on what is state of the art in Europe and globally, and also what is the new data that came in the scientific weekend and over the year, and how does this impact the current treatment of patients with cancer and future cancer research. We follow a traditional structure that we have in our ESMO congresses with education symposia and with special symposia being in the center of the Congress. We reduced the duration of this symposia a little bit, limiting it to 90% to make it digestible for the virtual format. But we kept a high level of interactivity. We have a question and answer chat function, which will allow for the participants to ask their questions and to interact with the lecturers and with the faculty. The level of interacting with the experts will be excellent during this virtual meeting.